bag?
What's in the bag?
Shopping. It's for shopping.
It's for this.
What do you do in that? What is this?
What is that?
Make a tail with it.
Yeah.
What is that then, Chris?
I know
What do you think Joe's
What do you
opening?
think is in that bag?
I can't open it.
Careful.
Hey!
It's a tent.
It's another bag.
A bag? Whoa! Whoa!
It just pops up on its own.